Hey everyone! Are you ready to discover 5 tech stocks that are flying under the radar but could explode in 2025? While everyone is chasing the same hot AI names, these tech giants and innovators are quietly setting up for a massive comeback. If you're serious about finding undervalued opportunities in the tech world, this is a video you don't want to miss. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and to ring the notification bell so you never miss powerful investing insights that could help grow your wealth. And as always, this video is for informational purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Alright, let's jump right in. Stock number 1, Alphabet, ticker GOOGL and GOOG. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is one of the most dominant players in the world of tech. Now, a lot of people think, Alphabet is already massive, how much more can it grow? But here's the thing, Alphabet is still growing fast and remains the king of digital advertising, controlling a huge slice of that multi-billion-dollar pie. And with AI integration ramping up, think of tools like Bard and Vertex AI, plus YouTube and Google Cloud expanding like crazy. This is a company that's just getting started on the next leg of its growth story. Also, YouTube is quickly becoming a connected TV giant, and that means even more ad dollars flowing in as traditional TV continues to fade. So if you're looking for a tech powerhouse that's still undervalued relative to its future potential, Alphabet should definitely be on your radar. Stock number 2, Qualcomm, ticker QCOM. Qualcomm is the unsung hero behind much of the 5G revolution. Qualcomm is a global leader in semiconductors and telecommunications, and their Snapdragon processors are powering millions of devices around the world. But here's where things get exciting. As 5G continues to roll out, Qualcomm is positioned to capitalize in a massive way, not just in smartphones, but in smart cars, IoT devices, and even AI-driven edge computing. Plus, Qualcomm is pushing into new emerging markets, which could supercharge their revenue streams over the next few years. If you believe 5G is still in the early innings, then Qualcomm could be one of the best plays for the next wave of tech growth. Stock number 3, Intel, ticker INTC. Intel is a stock that a lot of people have written off, but that's exactly why it might be one of the best comeback stories in tech. Look, Intel has struggled in recent years, losing market share to competitors like AMD and Nvidia. But don't count them out just yet. Why? Because Intel is making massive investments in cutting-edge tech, like AI chips, autonomous vehicles, and even quantum computing. They're also working hard to rebuild their chip manufacturing dominance, including opening new fabs in the US and Europe. Sure, this one carries a bit more risk than Alphabet or Qualcomm, but with risk comes potential for massive reward. If Intel executes on its vision, investors getting in at today's prices could see serious upside in the years ahead. Stock number 4, Cisco Systems, ticker CSCO. Cisco Systems is one of the foundational players in networking and cybersecurity. Cisco has been around for a while, but don't mistake that for stagnation. In fact, Cisco is quietly evolving into a major player in cloud computing and AI-driven network security. Think about the shift to remote and hybrid work, which has dramatically increased demand for secure networking solutions. This is where Cisco shines. And let's not forget, cybersecurity is becoming one of the most critical industries as threats grow more sophisticated. Cisco is heavily involved in this space and could benefit enormously as corporations and governments ramp up spending to protect their networks. If you want exposure to the backbone of the internet and modern business infrastructure, Cisco is an undervalued tech gem worth considering. Stock number 5, Dell Technologies, ticker Dell. Most people think of Dell as just a PC company, but there's so much more going on under the hood. Yes, Dell still sells millions of computers, but their enterprise solutions division is a beast, providing servers, storage, and cloud infrastructure to companies worldwide. And here's something to think about. As AI and big data continue to grow, businesses need more powerful servers and storage solutions, and Dell is perfectly positioned to meet that demand. Also, as companies invest in hybrid cloud solutions and data centers, Dell's enterprise side could become a major driver of growth over the next decade. So while many investors overlook Dell as just a PC brand, savvy investors might see an undervalued opportunity hiding in plain sight. So there you have it, 5 undervalued tech stocks to watch for 2025. Alphabet, Qualcomm, Intel, Cisco, and Dell, each with massive potential to outperform as tech trends like AI, 5G, and cybersecurity continue to reshape the world. Which of these stocks are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, we bet you'll love the 2 videos now appearing on the screen. Click on one of them now to keep leveling up your investing game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.